Mhm. There's a word called law,
Yeah.
and it encompasses the court rules as well as statutes,
Yes.
constitutional provisions, and decisional laws. See rule number 1.1,
Yep.
2.1,
Mm.
2.2,
Oops.
2.6, 2.7, 2.9, 3.1, 3.4, 3.9, 3.12, 3.13, 3.14, 3.15, 4.1, 4.2, 4.4, and 4.5.
Yes.
The law
Hmm.
that encompasses the court rules, as well as statutes, constitutional provisions, and decisional law.
Yes.
Mm. Now, this law that you say that you are enforcing, but you're not,
Yes. Hmm.
the laws that say that it's the court rules that decide that an individual does have to have a certain number of judicial days before being required to appear in court.
Yeah.
And the law that says that you do have to have proof of service before issuing a dissolution of marriage.
Yes. Hmm.
The law that says that it's a crime
Yes.
to use forgery, fraud, or felony when issuing court orders. Now, I would say that I have the right to sue each and every judge, justice, and court commissioner in every county of the state of Washington
Yes.
that is misprisioning the violating of the laws.
Yes.
And as much as you dislike the thought of the law being all encompassing, known as the rules,
Yes.
the requirements of the RCWs,
Yes.
the federal laws,
Hmm.
the constitutional protections and provisions,
Yes.
and those precedent setting laws,
Yes.
the cell hearing itself had some precedents because of the original court case. Why don't you just read it for yourself? As far as I could see, it was just a sentencing hearing.
Yes.
It wasn't the actual trial itself. But you know how the prosecuting attorneys are.
Yes.
They like to make everything sound like they can do it
Yes.
because it happened in a superior court case where an individual was convicted, more than likely because of a jury of his peers found him guilty,
Yes.
even though he was insane. Now, acceptance or demand by a district attorney or marshals or their assistants
Yes.
offers to the members of Congress. Acceptance are solicited by judicial officers.
Yes.
The acceptance and the offer. Now, how much did you get paid? No, Brent. How much did you receive
Yes.
in bribes
Yeah.
to issue the protection order against me? Where the petitioner didn't sign it, I didn't get any actual notice of court hearings, right? And you served somebody other than myself.
Yeah.
And then how much was the police and sheriff's departments paid to arrest me for the false accusation of violating the restraint provisions? Then how much have you been paid to refuse to exonerate me of any wrongdoing,
Yes.
knowing that you wanted to put me in prison
Yeah.
and you almost put me in a mental institution to be restored for a crime that I didn't commit?
Ah! Ah!